So you're asking how to work this question. I guess it's number 3 in the assignment 9.2. You know, a simple random sample of size n is drawn from a population that is normally distributed. The sample mean is given as 115. The sample distribution S is they found to be 10 from the data. Construct a 95% confidence interval if the sample size is 20. Okay, and so they want the lower and upper bounds. You can do this by hand using the formula. I guess it's given in page 410, or if you go to 413, they give you a technology step-by-step instructions, both the calculator and StatCrunch. I tend to go to StatCrunch. So that's what I have up here. I'm looking on page 413. You go to Stat. Click. I can't show it in this screen at the same time, but you go to Stat, T-Stat, one sample with summary, and this screen comes up. It's one sample, T-summary. So you click on, again, Stat, one summary, one sample, with summary. And those instructions, again, page 413 in your book. So I put in the sample mean of 115 and the sample standard deviation of 10, and then the sample size is given as 20, and you want a 95% confidence interval. So it was on this radio button was clicked, so I clicked this one, and it already had 90.95, which stands for 95%. If you click compute, you'll find it gives you the upper and the lower bound here. So you could use the formula or StatCrunch or the calculator to find this answer. Hope this helps.